Hey everybody, good morning. This is Ned over My Philippine Dreams. People are always interested in rentals. So I want to give you an example of a 35,000 peso house rental that's available now. I'm actually checking this out for a friend who's in Cebu. And if he likes it, he's going to check out the video. And if he likes it, he's going to reserve it. So I'm not going to put any contact information for the renter or the owner down below. But check out what you can get for 35,000 pesos right now in Dumaguete City. Let's check this out. Also, this is an undisclosed location. I don't want to give the location away. All right, so basically it's this house right here. It's a two-story structure. It's got some apartments next to it. This is a quiet neighborhood. I haven't heard any barking dogs. This is actually like a ungated subdivision, and I'm going to show you why. It's got like speed bumps and stuff. You get your main gate here. Could use a little bit of paint. This is the pedestrian entryway. You get an area here for parking, and you get another area right here for parking. The dongs here are working hard on the garden area. This is all the owners here. If you're renting this place, you got this. It's got the little shrine over there. I don't know. I have no idea what's in that. But they got some nice landscaping going on here. The guy who was renting it just moved out, so they're working on it. There's a washing machine over yonder for the washing of your clothes. And I believe next to it is where you can hang up your clothes. There's also another gate over here and another sort of parking area. And it's got one, and all the furnishings here are included. It's got one of these cool little chairs. It's got some cool sculpturing. I got one of these for my car. This is the interior. This is the kitchen area. We'll be checking that out in a little bit. Again, this is a nice little garden area. This is all the exterior. These are all solid windows here. It's also got security grates. They also got screens. Sir, do they have screens on all the windows?
Yeah.
Okay, all the windows have screens. That's important. Security grates and screens. Because you don't want burglars coming in, you don't want bugs coming in. This is how the other half lives. After living in Pink House, our 10,000 peso house for the last 5 years, when I see places like this, I'm like, oh man. They said they're gonna put some paint over here. Again, this is the front parking area. This is facing towards the mountain, Mount Talinas. Los Cuernos de Negros. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, like I said, all the furnishings you see are included. Like a little coffee table ensemble right here when you come in. Sliding doors. You got some nice furniture here. You got the rattan furniture. You can get this by the airport. These are very nice and they last a long time. As long as it's not in sunlight, those things last a long time. This right here, this bureau, could do with some refinishing, but this is an example. This isn't a great example, but of the custom furniture you can get in the Philippines for cheap. So don't go with the IKEA fall particle board like I did. This is good stuff. Again, more rattan stuff. It's all in good condition. Got a TV down here, got some more sculpturing. Very nice stuff. Very nice stuff. This cabinet here can be moved to the other residence, the owner said. This is basically a linen closet. Happy New Year, everybody. This is cool. Again, I like these little things here. Beautiful dining room table. He's gonna be having about 4 people. He's got his girlfriend, the kid, and they're gonna have a yaya too. Again, this is looking out onto, it's like another parking area or the garden. Very nice. So that's like, this place is huge. This is all the first floor. You got your kitchen area. You got a beautiful Samsung digital inverter. This is high quality right here. I just got a new inverter, but I couldn't spend that much money, so that's good quality. This is the inside kitchen area. You got cabinetry, all in good condition. A toothbrush if you need it. And a beautiful stove. This is a La Hermania. See these in the Philippines a lot. So all this is included in the rental?
Yeah, gas range, this one.
All the dishes, all the cookware.
The dishes,
Because you got a lot of like dishes.
yeah, we have dishes. But if
A lot in
if
here.
You want to, yeah, you can use it.
Okay.
We're not gonna use it anyway.
And there's all kinds of beautiful glassware in here, more dishes. Good stuff. All right, now on the first floor, there's a bedroom. This is the first floor bedroom. Again, the lighting's not that great. Apologies for that. Oh, okay, we got the light. All right, we got the light. So this is the first floor bedroom. This is like 3 times the size of my bedroom. This is only the first. Wait till you see the ones upstairs. It's got a carrier inverter. All the bedrooms have carrier crystal inverters. These are excellent air conditioners. Here's the bathroom, the first floor bath. You got a water heater down here, a really nice shower. It's all off and closed, so you don't get water. The water pressure is quite good compared to my house. Got a nice toilet, all that stuff. Fan. And continuing on, that goes outside. This right here is
Servants' quarters.
Servants. Helpers' quarters.
Helpers' quarters.
We're politically correct here. PC. This is the dirty kitchen. This is a nice dirty kitchen. I mean, this is not like my dirty kitchen, which is a bamboo table on the outside. So this is the dirty kitchen. Also could be a yaya helper's quarters. He is going to have a yaya, but I'm sure he's not going to put her here. All right, let's make our way upstairs. Got 2 windows here. Could use a little bit of,
Yeah, need to fix that.
a little cleaning up. That goes to the bathroom. We've already been in there. Goes to the CR, I'm sorry. And there's a ceiling fan in here. There's another ceiling fan over here where you probably watch TV. It's got like 2 living areas. Yeah, this is another living area. It's like another living room. Huh. And typical stockroom underneath the stairs. Here's the staircase, tiling. Again, a nice beautiful table right here. Much nicer than the bric-a-brac I bought back from Goodwill last year. All right, so we're on the second floor now. Nice cabinet right here. Got baby Jesus in the shrine. This is facing towards the mountain, back towards the front of the house. You got a little balcony right here. That's where the sun sets, so this would be a good place to have your morning coffee. Again, it's a quiet neighborhood. I describe this as an ungated subdivision, and we're gonna see the speed bumps later. Whoops. As somebody goes by with a DBS muffler. This is a nice little spot out here. Here's another bedroom. And this isn't even the master bedroom. Okay, this is huge. There's a nice curve right there. It's got a TV, computer desk, another carrier crystal inverter. It's got a big closet. It's like a linen closet right now. And if you need pillows, this is the place to rent. Here's the bathroom for this place. Could use some paint down on the bottom. Again, the issues I see with this place are minor. A little bit of paint, a little bit of cleaning. Here's the shower for here, another water heater, huge shower head. Towel rack, all that. This is in good condition. Again, just some cleaning. Minor stuff. This isn't paint, this is just like dirt. Nice curtains. Cool art, like that. And this, Brian, this is the master bedroom. And this is like the size of my house. This is the size of my whole house. Not only does it have 1 queen size bed, but it's got 2 queen size bed. Because sometimes you want to sleep on the left side, sometimes you want to sleep on the right side. Maybe you could have trampoline in here. This place is huge. It's got a TV, it's got a divan, little entertainment center right here. It's got Firefly emergency lighting. This place has globe now, but this PLTT I know is available in this area. Here's the cabinetry. Everything opens, closes. And the bathroom, the master bath is, yeah, it's the size of our bedroom at Pink House. He's got a sink. He says he's gonna fix this.
Yeah.
This is broken. Gotta fix this. It's a nice toilet. I like this. I love this faux stonework that they do here. It's really cool. They put them on the inside of the houses and the outside of the houses. And the shower. And there's the water pressure. You got good water pressure here, brother. And there's another one up there for getting totally submerged. Water heater kicked in, no problem. Okay, so there's I accidentally turned on the top shower. Okay. Oh, all right. I mean, look at the size of this.
Balcony.
Yes, go out to the balcony. You're gonna like this. You're gonna like this, Brian. All right, and then when you wake up and you stretch after a night relaxing here with your beautiful Carrier crystal inverter, oh, you come out. And this is facing south.
Yeah.
This is facing south. And you have a beautiful, big porch out here. Balcony overlooking the garden. So in the morning, so this would be
Sunrise there.
yeah, the sunrise is over here, so that's blocked there. So this is another place to come out so you won't get baked by the sun.
Sunset.
And the sunset's over there. So this is really nice. Got more stuff out here. He's got the foam for this. Another ceiling fan. And it's overlooking the garden.
That's the bathroom for the garden.
So there's another CR down there?
Yeah, for the garden.
I'll probably be utilizing that before I go. I drank a lot of water this morning during my push-ups. And there's a best, is that a best tank?
Yeah, tank.
So it's got its own water tank?
Pressure for the water tank.
Okay, and it's got its own
And washing machine.
water tank, the washing machine we saw, yeah. That's a nice washing machine down there. So it's got its own water and pump.
Pump, yeah.
So that's why you're getting the good water pressure here. This is nice. I'll be jealous. Again, solid windows throughout, so it helps with keeping the air conditioning costs down instead of having the jalousies. This is pretty nice. So this is an example again. 35,000 pesos. Dumaguete City, undisclosed location. And I'll see you next time. Puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and really nice house rentals for all. My Philippine dreams. Peace. All right, boys and girls, one of the reasons I said that this is like a gated subdivision, they got speed bumps all over the place. And these things are actually, you can't see it in the video, but these things are actually pretty high, so you really have to slow down. So that slows everything down. Also, all the houses here are either upper or middle class or like really high class houses. So there's that. So it's like, again, an gated subdivision. Watch out, don't be flying along and not realize you're hitting one of these, because you will bottom out. Yeah. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.